Hello students, welcome back to another episode of It's Bee Time.
Kev and I would like to talk to you today about pollination.
What is pollination, you ask? Well, let me tell you.
Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from one part of the plant, the anther, to another part of the plant, the stigma, to fertilize the plant and make wonderful baby plants called seedlings. Check out this honeybee pollinating the flowers. The honeybee goes from flower to flower collecting pollen and nectar. When it lands on the next flower, the pollen falls off, pollinating it. Did you know a honeybee collects pollen in their pollen baskets? Pollen basket? What is that? Well, a pollen basket is on the rear legs of a honeybee. They pack in the pollen to take it back to the hive. Plant pollen is the only protein source that a honeybee eats and is important for the raising of new bees. Check out this honeybee, and do you see the pollen on their legs? It is bright yellow. Wow, that is very cool. But why is pollination so important? That's a great question. To make it simple, if we did not have bees to pollinate, then we would not survive. Pollinators assist in our food production, and 80% of our food crop depends on the help of pollinators. Fruits, vegetables, and many other plants benefit from pollinators. Well, Andrew, this was great information. We are so thankful to have honeybees taking care of us. You're right, Caleb. We should all be thankful for honeybees.
I thought today we would answer some questions that the students had from last video.
If you noticed in our last video, we had a smoker. Let me tell you what that is for. Beekeepers use smoke to help keep bees calm during hive inspections. When bees sense danger, they release an alarm pheromone. This pheromone alerts other bees to be ready to attack. Smoking a beehive masks this pheromone, allowing the beekeeper to safely perform a hive inspection. Another question you may have is, why do you mark the queen? That is a great question.
We mark queens to help keep track of her during hive inspections. Having a dot on her back makes it a lot easier to find her. We also mark the queen to determine how old she is. There are 5 different colors beekeepers use when marking queens. The color is associated with the year she was born. For 2024, we use a green dot. The green dot is for years ending in 4 and 9.
So we won't use green again until 2029. Last year in 2023, we used a red marker. Queens live on average to 2 to 5 years, and that's why we only use 5 different colors.
It was great seeing you all again. On our next video, we will be taking you back into the hive and showing you things about pollination and honey.
We'll see you next time. And remember, be a good student,
Be helpful,
and always be kind.